Alright, so the task today install a door jam and door unlock. The front entrance. So this is where I'm going to work today, and we have some doors that we're going to put in. But all of those doors are going to cut because the door jam that was in it were much thinner. So you have to go cut all of the side then. So this is a door that we're going to put in today. This is a door, very technical door. So this is what I'm going to, we're going to install a lock, door jams. This come along with it, and these are the locks. These are the lock, not locks. These are the locks. So yeah, very technical. So this is what I'm going.